Welcome my YouTube channel. I'm gonna change the laptop motherboard. This is an Acer Nitro 5. It came out in 2018 and it has an Intel Core i7 8th gen processor. But what I have here is an Intel Core i9-9980HK. It's an 8-core 16-thread processor. And yes, it is unlocked. So today we're going to change this laptop motherboard with a newer one that has more capabilities. Alright guys, so before we start, I just want to say that this process is quite complicated, and if you do want to know what you are doing, I do not recommend that you do it because you might end up like me with a broken laptop. So yeah, let's begin. So first things first, discharge the battery. We don't want any electricity flowing through our fingers. So we're going to wait for the battery to discharge. And while we wait, we're going to remove the bottom cover, and then we're going to remove the old motherboard. This is the old motherboard, and now we have to put the new motherboard in. Now we have to connect the battery cable, and this is very important. We have to flash the BIOS because we have to enable VTD. So first things first, let's flash the BIOS, okay? So we have to press F12 to go into the BIOS, and then we have to go to the Advanced tab. And then we have to find the CPU. Configuration menu, and then we have to enable VTD. Okay, so we have to restart the computer and then we can get into Windows. So right now we are in Windows, but we still have to install the drivers for the graphics card. So let's go ahead and install the drivers, and yeah, after we install the drivers, we can play some games. So yeah, we can close this and we're done. So now we have an 8-core 16-thread processor in this laptop, and it also has onboard graphics. So yeah, this was a very fun project, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. So yeah, bye-bye. Thank you for watching.